Welcome back to Askademic, beginner level English course. Section 2. Are you curious? Yes, I think you are curious because you want to learn English. Let's go. What is it? It is an apple. What are they? They are chairs. We sit on chairs. What color is it? It is pink. What color is it? It is green. What is it? It's a house. What is it? It's a door. Open the door. Close the door. What are they? They are windows. What is it? It is a cat. What are they? They are trees. They are 2 green trees and 1 orange tree. Very good. Read about Jane and her family. Hello, my name is Jane. I am 27 years old. I am a writer for a fashion magazine, Glitz. I am from Toronto in Canada. I am 1.75 meters tall. My hair is long and red. I am married to Kyle. He is a doctor in a big hospital in Toronto. Our children are Tim, 4 years old, and Sasha, 2 years old. They are very good children. It's a big family. Also, there is a dog, Bully. He is not a bulldog. He's a dachshund. We are very happy. Are you? Complete these sentences from Jane's description. I am 27 years old. I am a writer for a fashion magazine. Are you? He is a doctor. We are happy. They are very good children. Complete the verb to be below. Work with a friend. I am. You are. He, she, it is. Bully is not. We are. They are. Great job. Complete Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verb to be. The banana is yellow. The apples are red. I am a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. We are from Italy. At the bank, wait 1 minute, please. You are next. My parents are happy to see you. Complete these sentences. The apples are red. The apples are not blue. It is not blue. Now, work with a friend. Complete these sentences in the same way. The banana is not blue. The banana is yellow. The cat is not happy. It is sad. The car is fast. It is not slow. Contractions. Sometimes in English, we put two words together to make one. It plus is equals its. The apple is red. It is red. It's red. They plus are equals their. The chairs are big. They are big. They're big. Very good. Complete these sentences. The cats are black. They're black. The hotel is small. It's small. The dogs are brown and white. They're brown and white. The tree is green. It's green. The televisions are expensive. They're expensive. How do we make contractions with he and she? He plus is equals he's. She plus is equals she's. She's very happy in her new job. She's a teacher. He's not an astronaut. He's a pilot. You are going to play a game. You have $100 to spend on these sentences. You can spend $20 on one sentence. If you think a sentence is not correct, then don't buy it. It's a red chair. Correct. $80 left. They is very happy. They are very happy. They're from Italy. Correct. $60 left. The houses are blue. They blue? They are blue. I am 17 old. Years old. It needs an S. My friend is a doctor in London. Correct. $40 left. The bananas are yellow. Correct. $20 left. Your brother is nice. Also correct. We spent all the money. Very good. Notebook. Remember to write down new words in your notebook. Try making sentences. You're doing great. When we come back, Section 3. See you soon.